popping. So I'm not doing a vlog, but I haven't done a making it money rain. I don't remember the title. It was like raining, throwing cash in the air. But today I'm gonna do it with real cash. First time I did it with Monopoly, then I did it with fake $100 bills. Today I'm doing it with real cash. Alright, it's kind of boring, but I'm still gonna do it. George is in the background watching SML, like Super Bowser, Super Luigi, and Super Mario Logan. I don't know if you guys could see me, but I got the cash. I got gravity, I got a roof, and I'm inside a house. So let's go! I made it rain.
Diego, stop wasting the money.
Wasting it? It's just on the floor. Duh.
What if you step on it? And also...
Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media. Watch the last video, I think, to learn how to win the giveaway. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'm kidding. I'm gonna pick up the cash. So then we got $1, another $1, another $1. I have a bunch of $1, okay? So like, I'm gonna set the camera up right there. All right, let me pick up my cash. Okay. Alright, got my 500K. Got my 500. This time we did it with cash. I don't know the title. I don't remember the title, but cash. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. If that subscribe button is not red, is red, make sure to make it go gray. And click that bell too. Make sure to like this video. Follow me on all my social media, all at Diego Albert. If you want to win the giveaway, watch the last, I don't know what video. Thanks for watching. Make sure, I don't even have nothing else to say. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you made it to the end of the video, I am going to give away this too. Yoshi car. But first I have to find the controller. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Alright. This is real cash, not fake.